Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We don't have the formula to do this integration in here. So in this situation, we need to reverse the order dy dx into dx dy because we reverse the order in here. That means we need to change the new bounds. Now we need to write about dy dx in here. About dy, we have y is greater than or equals to the square root of s and smaller than or equals to number 2. About dx, we have s is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 4. And now we need to graph about the square root of s equals to y. So because this is about the square root, so we cannot consider the negative in here. Now, we know that y is greater than or equals to the square root of s. So that should be about this area in here. And smaller than or equals to number 2. So here is about number 2 in here. And we know that about s is greater than or equals to number 0. That is about this one. And smaller than or equals to number 4. That is about this intersection in here. Why? Because if we put number 4 gone here, we have number 2. So the region we need to concentrate that is about this one. Now we reverse the order. So this one that is about y. This one that is about s. Now we have y equals to the square root of s. If we put the power 2 for the both sides, we have y squared equals to s. Now we have the bounds of dx. About s, we can see that s is greater than or equals to number 0. We have number 0 in here. And s is smaller than or equal to y squared. That is about this one in here. If we look on the curve, so this is for s, we can see that s between number 0 and y squared in here. About y, that is about this one, so we have number 0 and number 2. And now we have the new double integrals in here. So this one will change by dx dy. Dx we have from 0 to y squared. About y from 0 to number 2. Now we need to calculate these double integrals. The integration of the s, we don't have s in here, so we have s. So we put y squared cone here, number 0 cone here. or this is dy, sorry. Now we simplify and we have like this. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to b y to the power of 3. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We have 3b y squared dy. Because we don't have 3b in here, so we need to divide both sides by 3b. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when y equals to number 0, that's it from here. And we put number 0 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. When y equals to number 2, that is from here. And I will put number 2 cone here. And we have u equals to 8b. And now we need to change this integration. Number 0 we keep the same. Number 2 we change by 8b. by to the power of 3 we change by u. Y squared dy we change by du over 3b. The integration of sine u, that is about negative cosine u. And we put the bounds from 0 to 8b. And now we have the final answer. This one we have negative number 1. Cosine 0 we have positive number 1. So this one we have number 2. Sorry, I made a mistake. This is about positive number 1. So this is about 0 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.